don't know, but time will show, and we'll both grow.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I actually filmed the intro, but I lost it, so here we are. So first thing I'm doing is taking some hair off the hairline. I have a really weird hairline, so I just don't want the wig to be on my forehead, so I'm just plucking some hair off in the area that is lower. This is a Tpart wig, so what that means is that in width on the side it's 1 inch, the middle part is 4 inches, and across of it is 13 inches like a regular frontal. Here I'm just trying to size the wig, figure out where I want it to be placed and all that. This wig is from Amazon. I have the link for it down below. This wig was really cheap. It wasn't even like $65. Like, I don't think. So, we love a cheap wig. Here I'm just plucking a little more. Because again, my hairline is so weird. I have like a long forehead and then my hair like comes down on the side. So, I'm just trying to figure it out here. Trying my best. That's all we can do. I needed better tweezers though. The pointy tweezers are not the best for plucking. I just came off camera to do a little more plucking just so I could really see what's tea with this hair. I bleached my knots. I didn't do that on camera because I ain't gonna lie, I'm not that good at bleaching my knots yet. But when I do get good, I got y'all. So I definitely over bleached them for sure, but that's fine. Okay, so to tint my lace just so I could get a little more scalp, because I did not do the bald cap method just because I don't have time for that. That's just not, it doesn't give for me. It's not my vibe. But I use this spray to get my lace like, you know, close to my scalp color. It is even tinted lace. I just got it from a beauty supply store. I think it's less than like $10. You can put down below like the color that I have for my skin color. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do now is, I don't know if you could see, but I definitely did over bleach. So my edges are a little blonde. We don't like that. So I don't know what to do first. I think I'm just gonna hot comb this hair just so I can really get a good look at what's going on with her. So I take my wax stick from She Is Bomb. I use their edge control too. Boom, there we go. So I have the link for that below too. Don't mind my nails. I'm literally doing my nails once this video is over, because me doing my hair and having nails on is like, they're bound to break. So I'm just gonna wax my edges and my part so I can see what's tea with this hair. Take my hot comb. I'm pretty sure, did I get this in a beauty supply store? I think I got this from Amazon because my beauty supply store one broke, if I remember correctly. So yeah, I'm just gonna hot comb. Ooh. Definitely see, like, I wish I could pluck the hairline more. Maybe it doesn't look that bad, but there's not, like, because it's a 13 by 4 by 1, there's not a lot of space here for me to pluck. So if I pluck it much more, the track will be showing, you know, and we don't want that. I'm gonna lay the lace first so I can see what's going on. I definitely have to cut the sides because my ears, obviously. So let's do that. Again, I'm not that good at this, so this is trial and error for me. My ear is here, so I'm gonna cut everything like right above that so my ear could breathe.
Tip on my toe, baby, you're not
My storage is full on my camera. So yeah. Alright, so I'm trying to figure out, do I leave this? Like I have a little, I think I'm gonna leave this. Now what I'm gonna do is just cut like not all of it, but like most of the excess lace, so that I could really get to the bottom of things and really try to lace you down. Not my braids sticking out. Can you go play with the other kids? Y'all see that? I'm gonna try this new lace glue that I got. Well, I don't think it's lace glue, but we using it as lace glue. Is it lace glue? Okay, it's adhesive. So yeah, I've been seeing it on TikTok, and like I'm not good with Got2b. Like Got2b does not work for me because I sweat, and like Got2b just don't be doing nothing for me. And like wig glue, like Bold Hole I think is what I have. Ghost Bond is what I have, and it makes me break out a little bit like on my hairline, so I don't really like to use it either. Usually I do glueless, but we're gonna try this. I saw the girls using it on TikTok, so I want to try. So I'm just gonna spray it on my comb, and then I'm gonna apply it on my hairline. You know what? Actually, I'm just gonna spray it on my hairline. Any of the excess, I'll just take off. How do I use this? I don't feel it getting like sticky. Okay, it's getting a little tacky. I can feel that. But I'm using a couple layers because got them in my ear. I want to. All right. Should I wait? Let me be patient. Oh my God! Oh. This works. Game over. I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. It's looking crazy now, but trust the process. Just trust me. I don't know what I'm doing, but I always get it done. I'm just trying to rub the glue, or the adhesive I should say, in this. And this is just what I use when I do glueless. I forgot what it's called. I don't know why I can't think. But I'm gonna just take this to lay it down.
I also wanted to let you guys know that all the details will be in the description.
Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just straighten this hair. I'm gonna use a lot of body. It's in this because this is like my travel thing, and I finished my regular one, so. I'm like, oh, I still got the travel one from when I went away some months back. So that's what we're using. Just putting it all over the hair.
Everything I use will be in the description: the flat iron, the wig, the adhesive, the hot comb, like literally anything. So if I miss something, let me know.
Sidebar, now that I have you guys here. You know, sometimes I be singing in my other hair videos. I'm just not really in the mood today. I'm gonna be completely honest. But yes, I do sing. I see people comment on those videos like, oh my God, girl, I didn't know you could sing. Like, yeah, girl, I be singing or whatever. But that's honestly my fault too. I'm gonna be dropping new music, God willing, soon. It's just, y'all, I'm telling y'all, when they come out with my biopic, y'all gonna be like, what? But yeah, girl, that's what's going on. But things are starting to come together, thank God. Literally, thank God. So I will be dropping music soon, but in the meantime, you know, you can check out my old stuff. You can check out my covers. Everything is always in my bio. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll definitely see more of me on there, probably singing. But yes, singing is my first love, my first passion, my everything and more. And yeah. So right now this wig is on my forehead and we are not doing that. So what I'm gonna have to do is do what I was doing earlier in the video, take more from here. Ooh. So yeah, I'm not feeling this. This definitely is great glue or adhesive. Definitely really good. But I need to fix because right now the wig's on my forehead. We're not doing that.
Overthinking got me.
So as you could see, the wig is on my forehead and we're not doing that. So at some point I'm gonna come off camera just to fix it. And then my camera died, so just giving you a heads up. But here I'm just trying to pluck off more lace so I can move the wig a little more. So I just wanted to give you guys a little heads up on that. So there was a lot of noise in the background, but I wanted to show you guys my finished look. Let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, definitely comment. Thank you for watching.
Boy, I don't know.